Hey guys, so we're working on this 2019 Kia Optima S, and today we're going to be replacing the actual reverse lights, which will be the T15s that go in here, and then later we'll do another video to do the actual license plate lights as well. Okay, so let's get this done. Pretty simple. All you're going to do is remove all the clips that hold this liner onto your actual trunk lid. Once you remove all of these, there's one more thing you got to do. There's this handle that says pull. It'll open up like that, and there'll be two Phillips head screws in here that go onto that. Okay, so if we were to put this back in here, it will be the one that goes right there. Okay, it says pull, and it'll reveal two Phillips heads that go there. Okay, so once you remove all of that, the clips that hold it in place look like these. So just get a plastic trim clip remover and you'll get these out real quick. Then you want to put this to the side, and at this point, these red plugs you see right here, that's your reverse light. Okay, so once you're in here, you just twist these and it releases your T15. And at this point, what you're gonna do is prepare your lights. So we're gonna be using these. Put them right there, make it easier to access. And you're just gonna pull these out. Okay, just like that. You'll take out the other ones. And going to install them. And there you have it. Make sure it goes all the way. It should sit and it's gonna be locked in there. So at this point, you pretty much can install. These are non-polarity, so you don't have to worry about which side they go in. Just make sure you install it correctly. Put it back in place. It has a specific way it has to go in, so make sure you do that. Don't just force it in there, just like that. And that's how it's gonna look. We got the LED on the passenger side and we got the stock halogen on the driver's side. Right now the camera is overexposing it. So there you have it. So if you guys have any questions, concerns, feel free to let us know and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you for watching.